We're glad to have you back. It's time to look at figures from the exchange, and I see the market is still very much in green. We have Honeywell Flour, NEM Insurance, Dangote Sugar, NASCON. We have Wema Bank. We have, for losers today, we have the likes of Prestige Assurance, Lasaco, UACN, RT Briscoe. I have Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, who's joining us via Zoom to continue this discussion around markets. Mr. Mohammed, how are you today? What is your reaction to the performance of the market? We've been so steady in green.
To be here on the program. Can you hear me, please?
Go ahead. You're loud and clear. You're live.
Okay. Good afternoon, viewers. It's a pleasure to be here on the program. It's a beautiful beginning of the week, and the market is closing on the green. As you have rightly said, we have about 34 gainers and 16 losers. And when you look at, critically look at the market, you realize that the volume and value being driven these days is being driven by Transcorp Power and Transcorp Hotel, and Transcorp PLC. The volume traded today, as you have rightly said, market closed in the green, and it closed about 0.7% up in the green. The volume will have about 436 million units of stock traded, worth about 17 billion. This unusual value traded is being caused by Transcorp. As you know, Transcorp is a big, Transcorp Power is a big stock for now. It's a big cap stock, and since it has been traded last week, it's been the one behind the value being gotten by the market. And when you look at the most traded stock in the market today, Transcorp Power consists about 5.9 billion worth of stock traded today, followed closely by GTB with 4 billion, and we'll have Transcorp with 1.2, Transcorp PLC with 1.2 billion, and NASCON will have 1 billion, 125 million, and excess traded about 988 million worth of stocks. And in the day, we'll have 34 gainers and we'll have 16 losers. When you look at the trend in the market, you say that our market is trying to stabilize at this moment. Thanks to the listing of Transcorp Power, that is the reason why we are beginning to see a kind of stability around the stocks listed company that's being traded in the market as we speak.
This is looking really good, because since Monday, after the listing of Transcorp Power, we've seen this brilliant performance of the market. But sustaining this, to me, is key. What are you looking at moving forward? And even considering the financials we've seen lately, what's your outlook?
Yes, it's likely to be sustainable because of the fact that when you look at the factor that drove our market down, you will realize that it's as a result of MPC meeting that was held 2 weeks ago, which they raised the monetary policy rate by 400%. This thing has adverse effect on the market, and since then the market has been dragging. So when the Transcorp Power was listed, it brought hope into the mind of the investor, and people came back to look into this particular Transcorp Power and see how they can make profit in it. So that one brought a kind of hope to the market. And forget, we're in rainy season, and between now to the end of March, we should be seeing this company reading out their results. And if you look at what they declare in third quarter, you will know, and you agree with me, what they may likely declare is going to be good going to the audited account for the year. Look at the example for NASCON, for example. NASCON declared their result, and you see the growth in the bottom line has grown about 150%. And that is what we are expecting in other listed stocks. When you see things like this, you begin to see the confidence of the investor to come back. This particular issue that brought our market is a short something is going to short-lived by very soon, and it has left already. So now going into any season, we believe the market is going to sustain this particular trend that we are into. Don't forget that some of those stocks that are listed in the market they have good fundamentals, and fundamentals are the one to drive the market to the level that we want it to be in the future.
Equities trader, APT Securities and Fund, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.